Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Disinfectant Hands badge from CNA Simulator. Get your ID badge and go here. And you're just going to open up all of the screws on the vent. Then you're just going to jump and press enter. Then you're going to just walk here. And you're going to press on this hand sanitizer. So press on it. And you'll be teleported into like a different game. Basically, what you want to do is you don't want to go left. You want to go right. And you're just going to walk. Okay, this is going to be so long. So I'm just going to speed it up for you guys. And when you're at the end of the tunnel, press E. And you'll have that badge, I think. Okay, it should have it. I didn't get the notification for some reasons, but that's a new secret. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.